Today, I am reviewing the Albott 7,000 pounds portable car lift. If at any time you'd like to explore this product for yourself and grab it at a great price, be sure to check the links below the video. The Albott 7,000 pounds portable car lift is a heavy-duty, versatile, and thoughtfully designed solution for anyone who needs reliable lifting power for cars, SUVs, and light trucks. Whether you're a professional mechanic working in a busy shop or a dedicated car enthusiast maintaining your vehicle at home, this lift offers a combination of strength, convenience, and safety that's hard to beat. One of its most impressive features is its powerful load capacity, holding up to an incredible 7,000 pounds or 3,200 kilograms. This means it can easily handle a wide range of vehicles, from compact sedans to full-size trucks, without breaking sweat. The inclusion of multiple locking levers ensures safe operation during lifts, while the upgraded spring design allows for faster height recovery, making the lifting and lowering process smooth and efficient. For safety and stability, the lift does require a minimum load of around 220 pounds to descend, which is standard for equipment of this caliber and ensures the hydraulic system functions properly. In terms of accessibility, the Albott lift is designed to give you all the room you need to comfortably work underneath your vehicle. With a maximum height of 28 inches, it provides ample clearance for tasks like oil changes, brake jobs, exhaust work, and detailed inspections. The flexibility comes from its multiple height increments, for adjustable levels at 75, 75, and 100 millimeters, plus additional adjustable ranges from 170 to 260 millimeters, along with 2 extension panels to maximize reach. This means you can customize the lift height depending on your task, your vehicle type, and your working comfort. Whether you're working on a small hatchback or a taller SUV, the lift adapts to your needs without compromise. Durability is another area where the Albott 7,000 pounds portable car lift shines. Constructed from Q235B high-strength steel, it delivers exceptional support and structural integrity. This is the kind of build quality that inspires confidence. You know it's going to hold up over years of use, whether you're lifting vehicles daily in a shop environment or a few times a month at home. The frame is coated with an anti-corrosion finish, protecting it from rust, and we're even in more humid or challenging environments. This makes it an investment that's not only strong, but also long-lasting, saving you money and hassle in the long run. Practicality is built into the design as well. The foldable frame and integrated wheels mean this lift is not a stationary piece of equipment. It's mobile and easy to store. When not in use, you can fold it down to save valuable space in your garage or workshop. And when you need it, the wheels allow you to move it wherever the job requires. This flexibility makes it an excellent choice for smaller garages or for those who want to keep their workspace clear when a lift isn't in use. To get the best and safest performance from the Albott lift, there are a few important operating tips. Always use the lift on a flat surface. Any slope greater than 4 degrees can create an unsafe lifting environment. Additionally, the manufacturer recommends using hydraulic oil number 46 of the specified grade to maintain optimal operation and longevity of the hydraulic system. Following these simple guidelines ensures that you get consistent, safe, and smooth lifting performance every time. Overall, the Albott 7,000 pounds portable car lift is more than just a tool. It's a game changer for vehicle maintenance. It delivers professional-grade lifting power in a form that's portable, adjustable, and durable. With its impressive load capacity, customizable height options, rugged steel frame, and space-saving design, it's ideal for both professionals and DIYers who refuse to compromise on quality and safety. If you want a lift that's easy to store, easy to move, and built to handle serious weight, while keeping you safe and comfortable under your vehicle, the Albott 7,000 pounds portable car lift is an excellent choice.